Good morning. It's been a little while since I've been on here, but anyways, um, I just got back in the house. I went to the gym, which is why I look absolutely tragic. Baby girl needs a filter, okay? Badly. On today's to-do list, I need to put together a table. I have a table that I bought, table, desk, vanity. I have a vanity that I bought for my beauty room because when I show y'all what I'm working with, it's kind of tragic. So I got to put that together today. I need to clean up that room, but I also don't think I'm going to do like a crazy cleaning like situation because I don't have the organizers that I want, and it's like no point in me cleaning up the room until I have the organizers, because then it's just going to be like everything's all over the place. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower, get dressed, get some breakfast, and then put this table together. So finally, like, this is like hours later, by the way. This is the desk that I got it off of Amazon. And this is what I've been working with. This little card playing desk, but I don't know if you can see, like, it shakes at everything. It shakes literally when I sit, if I move stuff, and this little gooseneck attachment, this is what I like to use to do nail tutorials, but I haven't been able to do any nail tutorials because when I move, it just shakes, like the whole table shakes. So, yeah, it's time. So I'm going to be putting together this, and that's what I'm going to do. Table. I'm taking a nap because that took way longer than it needed to take. Good morning. I just got back in the house from the gym. Bam. I mean, she's looking rather snatched. I got stuff to do today. So I need to film a makeup tutorial. I have not done a tutorial in a minute, and I need to upload a video, so I'm probably going to do that today. I'm gonna do that today. I need to wash my hair. I need to do an updated hair tutorial as well because my hair is, as you can see, no longer short. It's got length on it now. I am going to take a shower, wash my hair, film a makeup tutorial. Well, I'm going to eat first. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. just finished doing a tutorial on this makeup look. Should be up. Well, it's already up. So if you want to see what I did, I'm going to link it up above. But yeah, let me tell you, the tutorial went super smooth other than the occasional lawnmower, of course. But like my camera, my camera that I use to film my like makeup videos was acting up. It wouldn't let me like take regular pictures, and I'm just not understanding. Also, apparently I can't use my like little remote to take the pictures. I don't know what's going on, and it's crazy because I never use this camera like that. So yeah, it was just giving me all the problems. I ended up literally resetting it back to the factory settings. So finished doing that, about to edit and get it to ready for uploading, because I usually upload on Tuesdays, and it's a quick tutorial, so it shouldn't take me long to edit. But yeah, I'm gonna start on this now, and I'm already ready for a second meal. Just a fatty. Hello. I am headed to Ikea, trying to get myself out of the house. I need to go and get a couple of bins and boxes. Come on, lighting. I have to go get some bins and boxes and stuff like that, because I just need to organize. Like underneath my bathroom sink needs to be organized. My room needs to be a little bit more organized. And definitely the beauty room needs to be organized. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna try not to spend more than $100, because honestly, like their little bins and stuff like that are only like $2 something. So I don't need a lot, but I wanted to go to Ikea because I love Ikea. Plus they have some good organizational stuff, because I don't have money for the Container Store, like honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna go there. And then I'm going to probably head to my mom's house, because the Ikea is on the way to my mom's house. Well, it's on that side of town, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do that and then go over to my mother's house, and I'll just take you all along. See, this is how Ikea gets you. I don't need this at all. But this is cute. Like, I don't need this. So these are the boxes that I need, because I have this system right here, this little Calyx system. So $3.99, and I need 8 of them. I might get black, honestly. I kind of like the black aesthetic. So yeah, I go pick them up at Marketplace Home Organization. So that's where I'm gonna go. This is the kind of kitchen I want, like, in my life. You see this huge counter where everybody can like sit, and these cabinets. I love cabinets like this. So cute. I'm finally back in the house. It's been a little minute, and I know I said I was going to film at my mother's house, but honestly, I was just enjoying my time at my mama's house. But I ended up getting all of the stuff, and now I am going to organize everything now that I have the bin. First, I'm going to start with probably my drawer that I'm going to put all my everyday makeup in, because that's the stuff that I wear every day. And I also have to see if the insert that I got fits. So let's hope that it does fit. But yeah, organizing time. I hope this fits. Wow, that fits like perfectly. I'm done. I am done with this room. I'm sweating. Like, it's hot. Why would I do this on the hottest day of the year? But it's all good. I'm just happy to be super organized. And now I'm about to rest. This was a very tedious process. I didn't even film the entire thing because I really just wanted to like dive into everything. But yeah, look at all the trash that's behind me. I gotta get rid of all that stuff. But yeah, I'm done for the day. It's time to eat. Okay. Oh shoot. I am running late. I was supposed to have been out of the house. It takes me like 45 minutes to get there, but I am meeting my sister for drinks and lunch, more so lunch than anything because it's Cinco de Mayo. We're supposed to be meeting at 1 and it's like 12:15, so hopefully I get there on time. But I'm gonna be taking the back way, so it's not really a lot of traffic because it's like one road situation, but still I will check back in when I get to my destination. Okay, so finally here. I didn't know we was gonna have a special guest, aka we here, and we've ordered drinks because Mama needs it. And thank God there was a table next to us with a whole bunch of kids, and they left because we was not about to be about that life.
So you can look at it. Do you understand? Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Try these little fish tacos. They look good. I just need some like lime juice or something.
You want me to cut them up for you? No.
I can see the steam coming off of them. Dang. Well, at least it's hot and not cold. You gotta take it back. Why you acting crazy, guys? She ain't eat none of her food. She was so dramatic. Be a Grace. Be a Grace. Somebody please get this kid on the Disney Channel or a Netflix show.